Good morning, guys. This is Bobby from Mississippi Gulf Coast Gardener, and today I'm going to do a quick video that is not garden related. It sort of is because I can't get out there and start working without my morning coffee. And as you can see, I got me a Ninja coffee bar system, and I've heard so many good things about this, and today I'm going to try it out real quick for you and show you what it's like. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is just running 2 carafes full of just plain water through. That's what it says to do before you brew your first pot. Man, it gets hot, and that steam burned my finger, so that's pretty cool. I also got the thermal carafe, which is the double-walled stainless steel. Pretty awesome. But I just wanted to show you real quick. Obviously, it's got a clock on it, and you can select that delay brew to set it for in the morning. But you can do 6 different sizes. You can do a cup, a big cup, travel mug, a big travel mug, half carafe, and full carafe. Then you choose if you want the classic brew, the rich brew, which is a little darker. You can do the over ice brew, which actually just adds less water so that it accounts for your ice melting. Next you can do the specialty concentrated brew, which is similar to espresso. They do not claim that it is espresso, but it's like espresso. And then the Cafe Forte, not really 100% sure what that is, except that it says it brings out all the nuances of the flavor of the coffee. I think it's probably just pretty strong. You can also preheat it so that you don't have to wait as long for it to brew. And then it has this drip stop right on the thing right here, and you just slide that over, and you could pour a cup of coffee while you waited, and then put it back and turn it back on, so you don't have to worry about being in a hurry. And finally, it has the clean method, which you basically would mix a little white vinegar and water, pour it into the reservoir here, and hit clean. It takes 1 hour, but what it would do is just basically descale the carafe and the inside of the coffee strainer. So I'm really excited about it. I'm going to brew a half a carafe in just a few minutes. We'll do the classic brew, and I'll tell you how it is. All right. Oh yeah, there's one more thing I want to show you. It's got this little frother. So basically, you can stick a cup up under here with some cream or milk and hit the button. And basically it just mixes air into the creamer, and you would get a froth, and you could pour your coffee into that, and it would be like a latte or a cappuccino. And it has a scoop. So you would do like 2 of the large scoops for a full carafe, 1 for a half a carafe, or then, per cup. So that's pretty cool too. Okay, next thing I'm going to do, I have brewed a half a carafe of coffee. I put 3 of the large scoops in here because it said 3 to 4. I like mine a little strong, but it's trial and error, so I tried 3. And next thing we're going to do, now I don't have the glass coffee mugs. I use Tervis cups, so it's the best I could do. I bought some of this Natural Bliss. It's just made with real milk and cream. We're going to try frothing it. Now, I'm not a frou-frou coffee drinker most of the time, but I do like it sometimes. This is the hazelnut flavored, and I'm just going to try it out. So don't worry about the frou-frou-ness. I'll just pour a little of that in there, and then we'll just come over here to the frother, and that should fit in there good, and you just turn it on. You hold it down, and the volume should actually increase as it incorporates air into the cream. And look at that. It's definitely frothing. You hang around the top, and look how much more volume it is. It's doubled. Now, before I spill it everywhere, what I'll do is I'll just twist this off, hang it over the cup, and I'll go rinse it out real quick. Okay, now I'm going to take the frothed cream that we had, and I'm going to pour a little coffee in there. Not sure how strong this coffee is going to be. Looks pretty good. Look at there. And you can see the froth. I don't know how to do the artwork in there. Let me get a spoon and we'll mix it up. Okay, now I got a spoon. We're going to mix it up and see how it is. So far, so good. It's probably too hot to drink. Wow. That is really good. I'm telling you. Now, I do want to tell you that I got this today at Bed Bath & Beyond, and I am in no way sponsored by Bed Bath & Beyond or by Ninja Coffee Makers or any of these products. I'm not sponsored at all, except by my own bank account. I bought this today. It's regular $229. I got it for $179 because it's on sale, and I got 20% off of that with a coupon. So I ended up paying $150 for the machine. Seems like a lot, but I'm an avid coffee drinker. If it lasts for a while, then I'm in the good, because this is delicious. And I normally would never have been able to make this at home. So it's not all in one, and I really love it so far. If you want to see me do anything else with it, just leave that in the comments, because one thing I didn't show you, let me grab it, is the iced coffee maker. This also fits in there, and you fill it with ice. You do full carafe, and you can make iced coffee, and it accounts, well, basically it just does less water, and it accounts for the ice in there melting, and it'd be nice cold coffee that you could do iced coffees with. So if you want to see me do any of that stuff with it, just let me know in the comments. I know this is not a gardening video, but A, somebody had to grow the beans, and I appreciate it, and B, I don't like to do anything without my coffee in the morning. So I just thought I would show this because it's a new product and I'm very excited about it. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, look around for other people out there with small channels, and you know, hit them up, subscribe to them. It's really fun and it's exciting to get new subscribers, and I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, guys, you have a great day. I'm gonna go have a nice cup of coffee.